Hi Mustang, so if you're logging into Thrively for the first time, it's going to prompt you to enter your birthday. And so you'll do that on the first screen, and then it's going to take you to this screen asking you to share your strengths with your parents. So if you want to share via text, you enter their first and last name and then their phone number. If you want to share via email, same deal, first and last name, and then your parents' email address. And then the green button will light up and you'll click submit. If you don't want to do that right now, you can just click skip at the bottom of this page and it will take you to the home page for Thrively. And this is asking you to choose some interests. So you'll start there. I like sports and music. You can change these later, so you don't need to take a whole lot of time to figure this out. I like hockey and yoga. And let's see, for music, I play the piano and the ukulele, so I'll select those. Top 3 aspirations, and aspirations are what you want to be when you grow up. And they have a lot of different options in here. Again, these can be changed at any time, so don't worry if you end up changing your mind, or if you just want to select a few to move on, that's fine too. But these will inform some of the things that you see on your Thrively profile, so try and pick something that's, close to what you might want to do. And then it will prompt you to start your strengths assessment right here, and you'll just click Start Strength Assessment and take the strength assessment.